Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a confetti mist and with my friend Eli. So I feel like now has a grounder and my friend Eli gave me it to me. So Eli, what? Tell why you gave me this. Okay. So he gave me this because his Roomba was broken and he gave it to me and I used it for my Roomba and it works. So I'm just gonna turn on that switch over there. Now, Eli.
What?
Do you remember you had a Roomba?
Yeah?
So tell the video that you had a Roomba before.
Well, I don't remember.
So he had a Roomba before, and hey, I will let you start the Roomba. Start it. Push it 2 times. You don't have to make the sound. This is a really big mess.
I think I know what from here.
This is gonna be good. Sick. It's actually sucking up something. Hey yo, hopefully it doesn't get tangled on these. It sucked it up. Uh-oh. Stop! Come on.
I just thought it was cute.
It's doing a pretty good job.
Oh yeah, this is kind of good.
Eli, do you think this is doing a great job?
Yeah?
Yeah.
It really picked up this orange.
What? Sick. What?
What?
Let it pick up that. Ring. One. Use the scissors and just put it over there. Don't you saw it, Eli?
No, but it's kind of funny.
Ah!
This is good there.
Not sweet. Hey, a sweet robot.
Hey,
I need to get my Nito ready. Oh, I mean, yeah, not ready. Nito's helping. Eli, don't block the path.
อืม
See?
บุลิน3 นาทีละ
So this video is getting pretty long, so bye.